In this video, we are going to see about Information and Communication Technology, Paper 3 spreadsheet from October-November 2024. So, task 2 spreadsheet. You work for Tawara web developers and will edit a spreadsheet that analyzes data on web page hits and advertising. So, question number 1, open and examine the file in 24its.csv. So, first I am going to open the file in 24its.csv file. First I want to examine, so all the text should be fully visible, and click this and double click. So they given some instruction. Row 9 to 38 shows the number of hits on visits to each web page during 24-hour period. The number of hits for each hour are stored in column F2 AC. So row 9 to row 28 is showing the number of web page in each hour, how many times they visited. So all the information is available from row 9 to 38. Yes. Now place your name, center number, candidate number on the left in the header. So we want to go to the header, so go to the insert, header and footer, and in this they are asking on the left. So on the left side I am going to type my name, center number and candidate number. So we finished this question. So place the text created on followed by a space, then automated date on the right on in the header. So in the header same we want to type created on followed by a space. I give the space, then automated date. So go to the header and footer and automated date. Sometimes they will ask current time, file path, file name, sheet name, or pictures, and also the page number or number of pages. So if they are asking, we want to select from the this. So click any one of the cell and go to the view and normal. Yes. So save this as a spreadsheet with the file name its underscore followed by your center number, candidate number. So we want to save this. Go to the file, save as, go to your folder, and I'm going to save it its underscore followed by your center number underscore followed by a candidate number. So I'm going to change into the Excel workbook and save. So we finish this. Now format all data is in row 9 to 38 to be center aligned. So row 9 to 38. So I'm going to select row 9 to 38. Should be center align. Okay, go to the and give the center align. Okay. So format row 1 to 8 of the spreadsheet so that it look like this. Make sure cell they give in the image. So according to this image we want to format. Make sure cell A1 to F1 and D3 to E3 are merged. So first A1 to F1. So A1 to F1 I am going to merge and center, and D3 to E3 merge and center, and this also should be center. Yes. Now make sure the text in row 1 is in 24 points font. So select this and give 24 points. Yes, we finish this. Now we are going to the image. So they are given, yes, it's correct. So next, see the number of pages with column 3, all the things they are given in the bold, and they are making, okay, so I'm going to make a bold. So number of pages with they are giving left align, traffic thresholds and rate should be center like this. So high traffic, medium traffic, low traffic they are given right align, high, medium, low, 400, 250, 0. These values they are given as the center align. These values, high, medium, low, they are given as a right alignment, and the values they are given as the center. And see this, in this rate they give in dollar symbol with 4 decimal places. So select this, right click, format cells, currency, it should be dollar symbol, United States, and 4 decimal places. Click OK and make it as a yes. So you can minimize the size. Yes. So we fix this. So we finish question number 2. No. See this, the row number 8, web page total number of hits, all the things they are making center. So select all the things. First give us a bold and make it as a center. Okay. So total number of hits they are using wrap text. And I am going to, if you want you can expand like this. Yes, total number of hits off should be come down. So our average number also you want to apply the so these also, these two traffic level advances the wrap text. So average hourly should be in a one line. So I'm going to make like this. Traffic level, traffic should be in one line. Advertising revenue, advertising should be in one line. Yes. So we finished this. Yes, it's correct. And we gave all the things as a center alignment. So now question number 3. Place a replicable formula in cell B9. So first we go keep our mouse at B9. Yes. To calculate the number of hits for the web page 40173 during the 24-hour period. So we want to calculate the total number of hits for the web page 40173 for the 24 hours period. So we are going to use sum function. So sum and select the 24 hours and you can use, no need to go back, just see the mouse, click this and close the bracket in the formula bar. So this is the answer. So the total number of hits, it is like this. Okay. So place a replicable formula in cell C9. So first I am going to the C9 and next to calculate the average number of hits per hour for this web page. So now for this they are asking average for web page 40173. So we are going to use average. Click and select the range and go to the formula bar and close. Yes, we finished this. Now question number 5. Place a replicable formula in cell D9. So now I am going to the D9. Yes. Use the nested if function. So that means we are going to use the if function to display the text from cell D4, D5, D6. To display the text from the cell D4, D5, D6. When the content of the cell C9 is greater than traffic threshold. So when the content of the cell C9, if the C9 is greater than or less than, we want to display the high, medium, low. So we are going to use the nested if function. So equal if, open the bracket. So first the condition they are given, C9 is greater than traffic threshold. So I'm going to select the C9 and I'm going to use the greater than. This is the first traffic threshold. If it is true, if this condition is true, it should execute I. Okay. Now comma, next another if condition I'm going to use. I'm going for C9 greater than second one, comma, the answer should be medium, comma, if these two condition is not satisfied, it should display low and close. Yes, there are two brackets, so I am going to. So now see, for example, average is 500. For the first we found for 500. So the C9 value is 500. 500 is less than 400. The condition is true. So it will execute D4I. For example, if the C9 is 300, so 300 greater than E4. So E4 is 400, C9 is 300. So the statement is wrong. So it will execute the if next if condition. So again C9 is 300 is greater than 250. Yes, the D5 condition is true. So it will execute D5 medium. If there is 100 greater than E4 is 400. 100 greater than 400, the condition is false. So it will go to the next if condition. 100 greater than E5. E5 is 250. So the condition is false. So it will execute the D6 low. So this is the nested if condition. Okay. Yes. So we finish this. Now place a replicable formula in cell E9. So E9 to look up the rate for this traffic level. For each traffic level they are giving some rate. So this is our lookup value. So traffic level is the lookup value for the each traffic level they are giving some of the rate. So we want to take the value from this table. Okay, so the table is represented in the VLOOKUP. So we are going to use vertical. So we are going to use VLOOKUP. So my lookup value, so go to the function of x, my lookup value will be I, my table array, this is my table array, I need the rate, so 3 and it should be 0 and click OK. Yes, and after that they are asking and multiply it by the total number of hits. So multiply it by the total number of hits. Yes. Okay, so this is the answer. So replicate the formula entered in step 3 to 6. From 3 to 6 we apply the formula. So we want to replicate. First we are going for this. So this is some function. So easily we can execute this. Okay. So next average hourly number of hours also we can replicate like this. Okay. So in this we can check whether it is replicating properly. See this 288. So see C10 greater than E5. So see it's not showing the I value, it's going down. Okay, it's going to next. So in this if you click this C9, the E4 will be same, but in this in the second one if you replicate like this means it is going down. So what we want to do, we want to lock the cell. Okay, so C9 for the row 9, the C9 we are going to find for the average hourly number of hits. So it will be C9. If it is coming for the C10 it will change, but E4, D4, E5, D5, D6 this value should not change. So what I am going to do for this, I am going to lock the cell. We will call that as a absolute reference. Okay, shift 4, lock the cell, shift 4, and D4 should be shift 4, and E5 should be shift, next D5 shift, and D6. Only the logical test should not be lock, others should be lock. Okay, So now we can expand, it will come. Okay, now see, it will lock. See the next one, it will be lock. See the next one, for example I am clicking this, see it will be lock. Okay, yes. So same this for the, yes. So now see, we are going to expand this and we can see whether it's coming or not. It's also not coming. For this also we want to use the absolute reference for the table. So D4, D9, okay, I am going for absolute reference for this. F, absolute reference, yes. Okay, now the value will be come. Yes. Format cell E9 to E38. Format cell E9 to E38. Currency in dollars, 2 decimal places. So E9 to E38, we want to give currency. So right click, format cell, currency, go to the dollar United States and 2 decimal places. Yes. Yes. Now place a replicable formula in cell B4. So in cell B4 we are going to replicate the formula to count the number of web pages with high traffic. So we want to count the number of web pages with the high traffic. So we are going to use COUNTIF equal count if so I am going for count the number of web page with high traffic, double quotation I. Sorry, not like this. So range traffic level criteria should be I. Click OK. So 15. Okay, so next we can see with the I hope media will come. So I think it's long. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the absolute reference. Now for each thing you want to find count if function of x, select the range and criteria we want to give I. For this medium traffic equal count if range medium. Count if range comma low. So like this we want to find. Okay. So next question they are given, save your spreadsheet. Okay, so save the spreadsheet. So I'm going to save the spreadsheet. So next, print only cell A1 to F38 showing print only the cell A1 to F38. So A1 to F38. Yes. Okay. So go to the file, go to the print, and next they are asking portrait orientation. It should be always A4, and row 1 column headings or display. Go to the page setup, sheet, row 1 column headings, and they are asking formula. So before that we wanted to earn on the formulas, show formulas, and I don't want this, so we can make like this, number of pages, and this is okay, and this one I hope we can, we can make up to this, and traffic level, okay, advertisement, yes. So A to F38. Go to the file, go to the print, portrait orientation, A4, page setup, sheet, row 1 column headings, okay, and click OK, and change into the print selection. So now we can take the print, because they are asking you want to give print selection, because we are selecting from A1 to F38. Okay, yes, we finished this. Now apply conditional formatting to cell D9 to D38. Now again I am going to the show formulas, and I am going to expand this back. Traffic level should be, yes, like this you want to make it, yes. Number of pages is not fully visible, yes. Now apply conditional formatting to cell D9 to D38. D9 to D38. So we're going to apply the conditional formatting. Click this, go to the home, conditional formatting. Okay. So what they're asking in this, they're asking inclusive to display a green background if the cell contains psi. So go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rows, and text that contains, okay, format cell that contains I. It should have, or they're asking a green background. Okay, so I'm going to give fill green background. Okay, click OK, and click OK. So next they are asking orange background if the medium. So highlight text that contain medium should be orange background. So custom format and orange background. Okay, yes, and click OK. So next, for the text that contains, they given a red background, low. Click low, and it should be a red background. Click OK, yes. Now make sure that each test is clearly visible. Take the screenshot of your method. So we want to take the screenshot. So go to the conditional formatting. You want to select this, manage rules, and take the screenshot of this, and paste on the evidence document. So you want to type evidence 1 and paste. So we finish this question. So change the font color of the cell F8 to AC38 to white. So F8 to AC38 means this one, AC38 white. So I'm going to change it as a white, yes. So that the content of the cells are not visible, print only column A to F. So print only column A to F. portrait orient. If it's on a single page, so go to the file, go to the print, page setup. It should be fit on a single page, and they're asking portrait orientation is already is there. Row 1 column headings not displayed. Go to the sheet and untick the row 1 column headings. The content is expert those white and fully visible. Yes, it's already visible, and click OK and take the print. Yes, so this is October November 2024 paper 3 spreadsheet. Thank you.